Hello and welcome, this is Yvette, and this is my unboxing of the special edition Army Bomb. Technically, I think this is version 4, we'll see what the box has to say, so. Ooh. Oh, it's just a special edition. Now that we're back. These boxes are always so difficult to open. I don't want to rip it. Okay, we got it open. Oh wow. Okay. I don't want to touch this part, it looks. Okay. Oh. There's that. So I had to turn down the light a little bit so you can see. It looks like it feels a lot different. Like I feel like I can't really use this very often, in that and then if I use it, I don't know, it feels different. A lot lighter, a lot thinner, definitely top heavy. I'm missing the beads, but I mean it's nice, but I think that I prefer the other versions. Version 2 is probably my favorite, but I mean this is sleek, it's nice, it just feels very, very different. The buttons here are very, very smooth and changing from what I assume is your Bluetooth kind of standby mode, and then like the flashing mode, I would assume. But yeah, I mean, so I tend to not use name brand batteries in my light sticks. I've heard that they can be overpowering for this little part right here. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah. So good tip is to, one, not keep your batteries in here when you're not using it, and two, don't use name brand. Oh, hold on. Wow. Oh, really. Very, very bright. At the same settings. Ooh. So that's your Bluetooth setting. I mean, it does feel a lot better with the batteries in, as far as like weight goes. I felt without the batteries it was very, very top heavy, but now that the batteries are in, it feels nice. So we'll go ahead and move on to these. Oh, okay, so I already like have my version 3 card set in, hanging up. Oh, these are precious, so you get a bag as well. Just put these down. Oh, that's a cute one of these. Just so you know, it says these are huge. Ooh, hooky. Ooh, Kante, yeah. Jungkook. Alright, in your booklet here. Instructions. Honestly, I don't know if I will actually use the bag. I mean, I don't expect to use it very often. This is a really nice tassel. So I'm actually gonna put that back. I'm not sure what they had in mind as far as like what the idea was, the design. It's a lot different from the previous Army Bomb, but I like it so far. Alright, so that'll be that. Ephilos. Alright, that'll do it. I will see you guys later. Peace.